Think you are fluent in English slang? Prepare to be shocked. 99% of people fail this test. Get ready to challenge yourself, learn some new expressions, and maybe even surprise yourself with how much you already know. Let's see if you can beat the odds and join the 1% who aced this test. First question, let's begin. How was it going? Is typically used as a formal greeting in business settings. Now you get 5 seconds to select one option between true and false. The answer is false. Second question, the phrase, "I am down for that," means you are not interested in doing something. The answer is false. "I am down for that" means that you have agreed for it. You can be part of that. Third question. What's up is an informal way to ask someone how they are or what they are doing. The answer is true. Fourth question. Could you give me a hand means you're asking someone to applaud for you. The answer is false. Could you give me a hand means you're asking someone for their help. Fifth question. The expression, "It's raining cats and dogs," is used to describe light rain. The answer is false. "It's raining cats and dogs" particularly means that it's heavy rain. Sixth question. I am feeling under the weather means you're feeling sick or unwell. The answer is true. Seventh question. Break a leg is a way to wish someone good luck. The answer is true. Eighth question. The phrase, "It's not my cup of tea," means you don't like something. The answer is true. Ninth question. I am all ears means you're not interested in listening to someone. The answer is false. 10th question. Can you put me through too? Is a phrase used when making phone calls to ask for a specific person. The answer is true. 11th question. I will give you a ring means you will give someone a piece of jewelry. The answer is false. I will give you a ring means to phone call someone. 12th question. The expression, "It costs an arm and a leg," means something is very cheap. The answer is false. "It costs an arm and a leg" means it's very expensive. 13th question. I am tied up at the moment means you're physically restrained. The answer is false. I am tied up at the moment means that you are busy. 14th question. Let's call it a day is a phrase used to suggest ending work or an activity. The answer is true. 15th question. I'm afraid. I can't make it is a polite way to decline an invitation. The answer is true. Well done. Thank you for your time. Now practice these questions and tell me your score in the comments. Remember, practice makes man perfect. It's very important that you practice these questions, these phrases in your daily life. I hope you enjoyed my video.